Hi there, I'm Donna Gentile. I also go by American Jewel, and this is my crowdfunding video. Thank you for coming and watching. I am bringing murals across America to help people on their healing journeys. I'd like to share my story with you and what I'm looking and asking for you to do to help with my mission. Music and art came to me during a time of trauma. I was experiencing domestic violence, and they helped me heal. And I went on to found Community Mandala Project in 2004, and I went on to teach workshops to women in recovery from domestic violence, groups recovering from addiction, veterans with PTSD, seniors with dementia, teens at risk, all kinds of beautiful workshops with people, helping them use the power of their stories and their lived experience, along with their creativity, inspired by patterns in nature and the beauty in nature and wisdom teachings from around the world, to tell our new stories. My mission is to help people on their healing journeys, and I've been working in the field of empowerment for 20 years. And this past year in Tucson, Arizona, as a community, we painted a big, beautiful mural. What I'd like from you is to help sponsor these murals across America. Art is incredibly healing, and so with your help, I can bring these murals to communities, whether I'm helping people with self-care, empowerment, freedom. These are the things that I care about, and I hope you care about them too. I've written the story out below in case I've forgotten to mention anything here. I hope you'll check out my website and make a contribution so that I can bring these incredible workshops to people and inspire them to live to thrive. Please check out the video This Is Me so you can get the energy of the work that I'm doing and feel really good about helping this mission. Thank you so much for your time. I'm American Jewel, and I'll see you on the road. Time has come to have some fun. I'm tired of being controlled. The sun, now watch me run, see my wings unfold. This is me, wild and carefree and dancing in the rain, flying high up to the sky and soaring down again. Here's some wisdom I found, my friend. Living well is the best revenge. It starts with the courage, the fight to survive, and ends with the glory of living to thrive. Oh, this is me.